There was time when women had very little space in politics. Decision-making spaces were mostly dominated by men, and even getting a seat at a table was a struggle. So when we see steps like Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam, which provides 33% reservation for women in parliament and state assemblies, it really does matter. This shows that things are really moving, right? But at the same time, I do not think that the empowerment ends there. Because giving space is one thing and accepting someone in that space is fully another. Recently, there was an incident in a college of Delhi University. A girl named Sarah was selected for some formal role in palace station in some event. She was capable, prepared, and everything was fine, but she was stopped because she was wearing a sleeveless kurti. Literally, she was stopped because of what she was wearing. And it really makes me pause for a moment. Like, on one hand, we are talking about women in leadership, and on the other hand, in everyday spaces, they are literally deciding what is really appropriate for us women. You know what, it is not just about one incident, it is about the pattern. So we are opening doors, yes, but we are still trying to control how women walk through those doors. And that's where the gap is, because empowerment is not just about positions or numbers. It's also about comfort, freedom, and not being constantly judged. Matlab, you can give someone a platform, but if they still feel restricted in that platform, that means something is still missing. So the real question is not whether women are getting opportunities, but whether they are being accepted without conditions. Because that's how real empowerment looks like. And also a small note here, credit to girls like Sarah, who really chose to speak about her experience, because sometimes things may look small to others, but if something feels wrong, it is absolutely wrong and it really matters. And maybe real empowerment also mean this, having courage to speak and being heard when you do. To all the women out there, I would say remember one thing, that no one is coming ahead for you, no one will take stand for you unless you take stand for yourself. So whenever something feels wrong to you, do not stay silent. Just speak up for yourself, just as Sarah did. Baki, stay strong. More power to all of you. Stay updated, stay aware. Follow for more updates.